Welcome to the channel. AI Knowledge is Power presents AI for Leaders and Future Pioneers. Module 9, From Theory to Business Practice, Hands-on Lab. In this practical module, you'll learn to build real AI models using common tools like Python, scikit-learn, and text processing libraries. We'll begin with a classification lab, one of the most common machine learning tasks. For example, identifying whether an email is spam or not. First, import necessary libraries: Pandas for data handling, scikit-learn for modeling, and matplotlib for visualizing results. Next, load a ready-to-use dataset. You can use public datasets like Iris, Titanic, or any other easily accessible labeled dataset. Then clean the data, remove missing values, transform categorical variables, and normalize features to help the model learn better. After preparation, split the data into training and test sets. This lets you evaluate model performance with new data. Now train the model. We'll start with a simple algorithm like logistic regression or decision trees. After training, evaluate performance using metrics like accuracy, recall, F1 score, and confusion matrices to assess effectiveness. Finally, use the model to make predictions on new data, your first step toward real business applications. Now let's move to our second lab, Basic Sentiment Analysis in Python, key for measuring opinions in social media, surveys, or reviews. Import libraries like NLTK or TextBlob, ideal for text processing and extracting emotional tone or polarity. You can also use pre-trained models like NLTK's Vader, specialized in detecting positive, negative, neutral tones in comments. Load a dataset with sentiment-labeled reviews or comments to validate model results. Pre-process text by removing irrelevant words, converting to lowercase, and tokenizing words for analysis. Apply the sentiment model to automatically classify comments as positive, negative, or neutral. Visualize results with simple charts showing percentages of each sentiment type detected. This analysis can integrate into business dashboards, helping leaders make decisions based on real customer perceptions. As a technician, mastering these labs gives you concrete skills to build real solutions and integrate AI into products/services. These projects also enhance your professional portfolio, demonstrating technical capabilities to employers or clients. Remember, the goal isn't just writing code, but understanding each line's purpose and real-world applications. These exercises build a foundation for advancing to complex projects, from computer vision to advanced generative models. In this module, you built a classification model and performed basic sentiment analysis in Python. You now have practical tools to grow as an AI professional. Subscribe to AI Knowledge is Power for expert insights on your path to success. Remember, the future belongs to those who understand technology. Thank you for watching. See you next time.